Mom, can you hear me okay? I cannot hear you. Okay. That's great.
Lakefront ground, Comanche 6057 Papa, terminal ready for VFR, taxi for VFR departure.
November 6057 Papa, Lakefront ground, runway 36 right, taxi via Foxtrot, Charlie, cross runway 27 midfield.
36 right, Foxtrot, Charlie, cross 27 midfield. And that's the intersection right at Charlie, 57 Papa.
November 57 Papa, that's where you'll cross, yes.
575, thank you.
Papa, Lakefront Tower, ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready. 57 Papa.
Comanche 6057 Papa, left turn on course runway 36 right, clear for takeoff, traffic in the right, downwind Cessna.
One more time, a little slower, please. 57 Papa.
Comanche 57 Papa, left turn on course, runway 36 right, clear for takeoff, traffic in the right, downwind Cessna.
All right, left on course, cleared 36 right, 57 Papa. Here we go.
Great. Great.
All set.
Great.
Full power, airspeed. Here's coming up. Here's up Amber.
Your local Skyhawk 104, change approved.
Change approved, 104.
Comanche 57 Papa, what will you be climbing to, 3,500?
This direction will go ahead and go to 4,500, 57 Papa.
Comanche 57 Papa, traffic about 9 miles northwest of the field is a helicopter tracking southbound just east of the Causeway. They're at 1,000.
57 Papa, we'll be looking.
Comanche 57 Papa, for traffic, just fly due northbound for now.
Northbound, 57 Papa. Northbound, 57 Papa.
Comanche 57 Papa, disregard. The lead officer just proceed on course and contact departure main outside the Bravo.
All right, contact departure outside the Bravo, 57 Papa. New Orleans departure, Comanche 6057 Papa, 1,700 direct.
Comanche 57 Papa, you're still on tower frequency, contact departure 133.15.
3315, sorry. New Orleans departure, Comanche 6057 Papa, 1,700 direct.
6057 Papa, New Orleans approach. Ultimate 3009 are cleared to the class Bravo.
3009er, clear to class Bravo, and we'd like to go to 4,500 if we could.
57 Papa, VF4 climb approved.
57.
Delta contact approach 125.5. 0188 Charlie Delta contact approach 125.5. Oxygen 1 traffic, no factory, 18 towards land destination in sight.
Oxygen 1 report, landing area in sight.
So I actually have some additional traffic for you at 1 o'clock and 4 miles eastbound, that's 182, 1,600.
Hey, Roger, I got visual on that traffic.
Oxygen 1, Roger.
All right, here's up Amber, fuel pumps off. How's Mom doing?
Good.
6057 Papa, advise you have the weather nose at
That's firm. We have weather NOTAMs at Hammond, 57 Papa.
Papa, Roger, contact approach 119.3.
119er, 0.3, 57 Papa.
228 X-ray, change advise free.
New Orleans approach, Fancy 6057 Papa, 3,000 for 4,500.
Comanche 6057 Papa known, approach known altimeter 3009er.
3009er.
VNHO Delta to maintain 2000, advised on international line sight, currently at 1 o'clock in 7 miles. VNHO Delta, clear visual approach runway 11, contact tower 119.5.
That's a long bridge.
Yep.
Get out some water.
Yep. Yeah.
Isn't it the longest bridge?
One of them, I think, yeah.
Yeah, it does look like a really long bridge, yeah. I'm pretty sure we've been on that before.
Many times.
Many times. And now we're flying over it, and we still can't cross it over really fast.
Oh, we're crossing over a lot faster.
A lot faster, but not fast enough.
I'd rather be in the air than in the traffic.
Right.
American 3090 known approach, visual approach runway 11, see direct Mudbug, it's going to maintain 6000. From in 28240, radar contact 2 miles east of Reserve Airport, altitude, known altimeter 3009er.
Are we flying higher than when we came in?
Yes, yeah, we're at 4,500 feet. So not quite a mile high.
Only 1 mile higher.
Yep.
So we're 4,001.
Known altimeter 3009er.
Yeah, we're at 4,500 feet. Before we were only at 1,000 feet.
So what is... So...
Right here.
We're at 4,000, and it was only right there before?
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
12 o'clock in 7 miles, southwest bound, Boeing 737, 9,000 for 6,000.
5 pop, we'll be looking.
American 3090 traffic, 11 o'clock in 6 miles, Comanche 4,500, westbound.
Virgil, is,
90,
are you picking like where to go, or they tell you?
No, I'm picking more or less.
Oh, okay.
They'll tell me if it's a problem, but
Gotcha. I was just trying to
yeah,
understand.
we got the airport right off the nose. And New Orleans, 5-7 pop. We can go ahead and start down for Hammond now.
H57 Papa VFR, altitude your discretion.
5-7 pop. We do have airport in sight, so whenever you need to drop us, we're good from here.
H57 Papa, you're leaving service MA, squad VFR, frequency change through. I'm showing one target in the vicinity of Hammond Airport, about 2 miles west of the field. Altitude indicates 500 feet.
5-7 pop. We got them on the scope too, so thanks for the help.
Hammond traffic, Airmed 6 is 2 to the west. Be entering a right base landing 13 for Top Gun East. Hammond traffic.
All right, Logan, do you want to try flying? Do you want to try flying? Now you have to go, it's real gentle. Yeah, real gentle.
Hammond traffic, Meridian 38 Hotel Papa. Turning right crosswind 1-way 31 at 1,000 feet. 388 Hotel Papa.
No more back pressure.
Hammond traffic, Twin Tower 768 connect, crossing 36 at Bravo.
All right, now take us back to the left. More to the left. Airport's right over here.
Good to see you, Eric. Have a good day. Alrighty.
Please run, we'll go flying.
Sounds good.
Hammond traffic, Meridian 388 Hotel Papa's, right downwind, runway 31, full stop, Hammond.
All right, you were asking about what a 360 looks like? You want me to show you one? Okay. All right, we're going to go your way first. Oh!
We're doing a 360.
It feels so weird.
You're pulling about 1.4 Gs. So your body weighs a little more right now, or feels like it does.
It does, really.
Hammond traffic,
All right, well, there's one. Now we're going to do the same thing to the left.
Oh, that's sick.
We're doing a 360.
Now I think I see it. I think it's over there.
No, the airport's behind us.
Yeah, I think I know. Yeah, I saw it. It's right there.
5 o'clock.
That's us tricking ourselves.
Hammond traffic, Meridian, turning short final, runway 31, Hammond, full stop.
6 expect. Hold still on echo.
That was cool.
Yep, those are called steep turns. We're turning at 45-degree bank angle.
Like,
About a whole 360.
Yeah, one each direction.
that's good, Logan.
Yeah.
I drive a little bit.
Yeah, you can drive a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't have it.
Back this way.
Oh,
Don't pitch up too much. I know it's hard with you without a pillow.
I was just.
Straighten it out. Level it out. There you go.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right. Hammond traffic, Comanche 6057 pop, 9 to the southeast, be straight in 31, Hammond. All right.
So we're going this way?
No, my airplane. We're landing right up here.
Oh, so just
Yep.
keep it straight.
My airplane. My airplane.
Logan, stop.
Yeah. My control.
Hammond traffic, Meridian 388 Hotel, pop-up, back taxiing on 31 for top 10.
Hammond traffic, 768, Quebec, crossing 31 at echo.
Virgil, can they hear us talk?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, no, they only hear me when I hit the button.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah, no, they don't hear everybody else.
Oh, well that's good. My ears keep popping.
Because we're going down. So again, chew,
Swallow.
swallow, like pretend you're eating food, swallow, go yawn. Hammond traffic, Comanche 6057 pop, 5 miles straight in, final 31.
Can we do this again sometime?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we can just do some little circles around
Yep.
town.
Right.
That's cool.
Yep.
Oh, I know how to drive it, so that's pretty cool.
I bet you're the only kid in class that flew a plane.
I didn't flew it,
All
but
right,
flew
fuel
it
pump
before.
on, mixture in, props forward,
Gotta be
and
quiet.
gears coming down. Gears down green. I got departing traffic, no factor. And the traffic, Comanche 57 Papa, 3 mile final, 3-1 full stop. Now let's see, it's the wind over these trees that are giving us these bumps.
Oh.
Flaps 1. 3 green on short final.
Ending for impact. Oh, look at the cows.
And
Can you see them, Mom?
I can. We gotta be quiet though, baby. Bunch.
Flaps 2, 3 green on final. Power's out. Hammond traffic, 57 Pop, back taxi, 3-1, Top Gun. Uh-huh. Hammond traffic, 57 Pop, clear, 3-1. Yeah.